That is really bright. Okay. That really bright. And apparently it's in the bat box. Yeah, it's on the bat box. It's very bright. Strobe is getting warmed up. When you touch it, you can't even see it. This just make me laugh. Ooh. It's not even that hot. It's so cold. It's so warm. Yeah, when I'm not touching that battery, I always think it was always hot. This thing is really bright. Strobe is almost warm. You can still see it. It's not really bright. See it going off. And it's silenced because it's not going off. I silenced it. I silenced the panel, and the employees they took a lunch break. They were hungry. They couldn't silence the fire alarm by themselves, so I did it for them, and they gave me a lot of money for helping me silence it. And the speaker stopped shutting off, but the strobe is still going. Yeah, the strobe is still going. I don't know, what is that? The strobe is still going. So the strobe is still going, and it's not going to stop. It won't stop until they reset it. They're not going to stop until reset. And it's reset. Wow.